Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm bringing you guys this soft spring glam. It is really easy to create, girl. You guys know now I'm about my easy makeup tutorials, so I hope you guys love it. Just in time for spring with no lashes, and please don't forget to like it right now and also subscribe if you haven't, and let's get on to it. Starting off with my skincare, these are 3 products I'm going to show you guys that I have been testing them out. They're new for me. So the first one is this Skin Ink supplement bar. It says my daily dose serum cocktail, so it helps to smooth and lift. It has collagen, coenzymes, CoQ10, and hyaluronic acid encapsulated serums from Japan. Even though it's my bottle, I don't like to apply it directly to my skin. I just don't. I don't have any scent to it or anything. Like I've told you guys, skincare is the most important part of your makeup routine. Oh, it's like water. You can see it. It's glowy. It's like water. Okay. Now we're going to apply this Bougie Shiseido Vital Perfecting from Shiseido. It's uplifting and firming advanced cream. This one says it is made in France, so I thought it was Japan. Isn't Shiseido from Japan? But anyways, this bottle is just so pretty. The gold and purple, such a beautiful color. This one feels a little bit on the thick side, and you guys know how I feel about thick moisturizers. I feel like they break me out, and it does have a scent to it. So now moving on to my eyes, I am trying out the Skin Restore by Derma E, which is an amazing brand, and it's an advanced peptides floral collagen eye cream. And just a tiny bit, I'm gonna grab some with my nail. You really don't need that much eye cream. And you want to apply it all over your eyeball. This time we're going to start with the eyes, and I'm going to be using the Fit Me Maybelline concealer on my lids just to color correct. Before I forget, I'm going to moisturize my lips, and you guys already know I'm using my Pixi Polymycin Lip Balm. I was looking for like the perfect pink eyeshadow in my eyeshadow palettes. I don't have it in my makeup drawer. I found a pretty blush, and of course I'm gonna use my bronzer as my eyeshadow and my blush. So I'm gonna be using first the Hoola Benefits bronzer to just contour my eyes. I wanna do a soft spring eye makeup look. So I'm gonna take this big brush by Sigma. This one is their E27. Just gonna swipe that back and forth. This brush would just spread the color everywhere. It will look as like nice and precise. I'm gonna take another brush. This one is their Sigma E38 and E54 brush, and I'm gonna dig in again in that bronzer. Since it's smaller, I'm gonna apply it to the crease, and this will give me more of a dimension. So the first brush just spreads it all over, and this one, since it's much, how do you say that word? I can't say that word. It's precise, I guess. It's more precise. So I'm just applying on the crease in swiping motions. Now I'm using the Wonderlust Prime Infused Blush in Ibiza. Sorry about that dog. It's not mine. It's the neighbor's dog. And I'm just going to apply it, pressing it down to my lid. My dogs are literally next to me on my bed, just looking up at the window. Yep, she is. Lily and Louis knocked out. This is such a pretty blush. Remember, if you have blush, bronzer, girl, use that on your eyes. It's okay. Let me zoom you guys in so you guys can see. That is how it's looking. I'm gonna do my brows off camera, but you guys know that I am using my Precisely My Brow Pencil in 4.5, so I'll be back. I am taking my eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to clean right here, the outer edges, so it can look nice and clean. Taking it and swiping it up. I'm taking my Urban Decay 24 Inks in Whiskey. I love the design of it. All right, so I'm just gonna do a wing. Not so big and not so small. From the edge of my eye, just bring it up. Who am I kidding? I can't talk when I'm doing this. Apparently, I can't even breathe either. Okay, I'm gonna skip the brown under my lashes since I'm trying to keep it soft and spring daytime appropriate. I'm gonna curl my lashes using the Shiseido eyelash curler, using this roller lash mascara by Benefit. I needed a new one, and I'm gonna try this one. I already tried it out, so I gotta remember again. But I'm gonna apply a little bit of mascara. Oh, like I was saying, I have a question. Where do you guys keep your skincare, like your eyelash serum, your eye cream, and your moisturizer? Do you guys keep it in the restroom, in your vanity, or on your, what's that called? My side table, a nightstand. Do you guys keep it there? I need to start putting my eye serum in the nightstand because I haven't been consistent, and girl, I need to. Okay, I'm done with the eyes. I don't want to put any eyelashes. So for my SPF, I'm using the Birch Juice. I'm almost out. Use something else for my face because I know that I've been using the IT Cosmetics CC cream, but hey, I love that one. So I'm gonna be using the Maybelline 4-in-1 glow makeup. So it's a primer, a concealer, a highlighter, and a BB cream all at the same time. I don't like to use this part, but this is how it looks. Let me get it before the dogs get it. No. Alright, so the color that I'm using is in light medium. So I don't like to use that thing. What the heck? It just keeps moving. I don't like to use this. And I don't know how to take it out of that. So I'm just going to stipple it. It's gonna rain over here in Arizona. I am so thankful for this big window in our room because it's just so beautiful. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh. Bringing it down to my neck and my ears. I'm gonna apply that Maybelline concealer, and it's in number 11, the vanilla. Just to look nice, just so it can look nice and bright. Apply it right here using my favorite brush by Sigma. And I'm going to stipple that. Okay, I'm gonna start setting with a puffer puff, and I am using again the Maybelline Lasting Fix because I'm really creasing. I'm gonna apply it all over. It did kind of take away that beautiful glow. Now I'm gonna use my Hoola bronzer again, the product that we started with, and apply it all over my face. I'm also going to just bring color back to my nose. I'm also going to use that blush on my cheeks that I use for my eyes. Okay, so moving on to the lips, I'm gonna use the Milani number 10 lip liner. I need such a beautiful color. And then coloring in the inside. Now for my lipstick, I am going to be using Too Faced and Chocolate Strawberry, a cream lipstick. Top it off with this Glosstopia by Hard Candy in color Opal Tease. I'm gonna spray my spray. More than what I'm used to. Then I'm gonna take my foundation brush and just blend everything because it is looking cakey and too pink. Oh, I knew it. I knew this always fixes it. I'm gonna apply some mascara on my bottom lashes, which they are growing, girl. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see how my bottom lashes are growing. I could see them. They look like spider legs, but they're growing. They're growing. I'm using this gorgeous Too Faced Moon Crush in what is called Shooting Stars. Here's how the packaging looks, and are you guys ready? Look at how beautiful. It is so beautiful. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna use that one. I'm gonna grab a little bit, and then, oh, it has a mirror too. And place it over here. A little bit on my nose. And here you guys have my Soft Spring makeup look for the daytime. It is so pretty, really girly, really, how do you say it, coquette? Coquette, I think that's how you pronounce it, but it's so cute. Even with my hair like this, it looks really cute. My hair is just fresh out of the shower, so don't mind that. But I hope you guys love this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos like this. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.